How to add music on Facebook profile. Let's begin with the video. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen to go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, scroll down slightly until you reach the details section. Then tap on See Your About info. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Here you will see a section labeled Music. Now click on Add Music. In the next step, click on the plus icon at the top right corner. From here, you can either scroll to the list of trending songs or use the search bar to find the specific track you love. Once you have found the perfect song, simply press on it. There is no need to save manually. Finally, just go back to your profile and you will see the song automatically added under the music section. So this is how to add music on Facebook profile.